Welcome guys, this is KLK Party Favors. I'm getting ready to assemble another Mother's Day basket. I had a few items that came in today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this wrapped up. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna put in is gonna be this beautiful faux alligator crossbody. So I'm going to put that back here in the back. I'm going to put a little tape back here, guys. Okay, try to hold it up there. All right, the next thing I want to add, I want to get my big pieces in first. So I'll make sure I have room for that. I'm going to put my white teddy bear that I just had on the other video that came in today. And I am going to put him right on the edge. All right. I want to take it out of the container and do it like I normally do. Because normally what I'll do is, as I told you in one of my other videos, if you've seen, I told you I always like to highlight or showcase the actual bottle that the perfume comes in, if the bottle is a really pretty shape. And so this red is really, really pretty. So I'm going to see how that looks. And I just keep the container with it, of course, just in case they don't want to use it. Then they could just, you know, put it back in the box, in the little container. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting everything down with my tape, since I know where I'm going to place it. Go ahead and get it all in place. All right, so I'm gonna put that there. All right, guys, and I think I'm just going to use white shred on this one. I'm not looking for perfection. That's where you get a lot of stress from. Want it to be just right and just kind of mulling over things too long. You don't want to get yourself burnt out or stressed out. You know, this is supposed to be enjoyable, even though it's a money-making craft that we're doing. You want it to be enjoyable still. Okay, guys, I think that's going to be it for this pretty baby. I'm going to get her shrink wrapped. I'm going to start shrink wrapping. I know y'all don't want to hear all that noise with the heat gun, so I am going to shrink wrap it and then come back and let you see the end product. All right, guys, this is the finished product. So you can see. Okay, guys, it turned out pretty good. All right, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.